This is the first split part of a zip archive. You cannot open it alone. You need the zip or Z00 file that goes with it to extract the data. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Let's find the master file. Just a heads up, when we get to our final point, the one-click fix, we'll be discussing the value of a single powerful Z01 file inspection tool. The underlying technology places the Z01 firmly in the compressed archive file collection. This file utilizes the specific encoding mandated by split archive part. A Z01 file is a split archive part, often associated with 7-zip or other archiving software. When a large archive is created, it can be split into multiple smaller files with extensions like .z0, 1, Z2, Z3, and so on. The Z01 file is the first part of the split archive and is required to extract the complete archive. Split archives are created to facilitate easier storage and transfer of large files. The archiving software divides the original archive into smaller chunks, each with a sequential extension. To extract the complete archive, all parts must be present in the same directory, and the extraction process is typically initiated using the first part, Z01 mic. Typically, Z01 files can be opened with Smith MicroStuffit Deluxe created by Smith Micro Software. Windows might mistakenly flag the file as corrupt without specialized context. Windows may show limited details, so full access depends on extraction software. We're testing the system's ability to interpret the file's header. Right-click the Z01 file and click Open with Test Smith MicroStuffit Deluxe first. If it's unavailable, choose another program. The right tool is key to success. If your Z01 file still refuses to open, stay calm. To truly fix this, let's review the why, the top technical reasons this specific Z01 error occurs on your system. First, use 7-zip WinZip. Open the file using a robust archive utility like 7-zip or WinZip. Do not rename the file. Next, locate all parts. Ensure all parts of the split archive, e.g. Z01, Z02, zip, or Z01 up to the final file, are present in the same folder. Finally, open the last part. Open the last file in the sequence, usually the one with the zip extension, to initiate the assembly of the entire archive. If your current apps are unable to handle the file, the only remaining option is high compatibility software. That universal file viewer is the proven method to try for opening difficult Z01 files. Get the FileMagick Universal tool now. It's my top recommendation for opening your stubborn Z01 file instantly. FileMagick.com. Subscribe for what's coming up next. If you found this solution valuable, please like and subscribe to help us grow the channel.